Every year in the world, we throw away millions of old refrigerators. You can use that space and that environment to be able to start your seeds much earlier than normal. This is a refrigerator that was destined for the landfill that we took and converted into something that's very useful. The reality is they make a perfect hot box. So let me show you how we built this. You're going to need a 4-inch hole saw drill. This is a blower you can purchase for a fairly low price right off of Amazon. Louvered vent closers, timers that allow the electricity to be initiated. Old recycled cage material. If you want to, put on some aluminum foil. So here's the LED light. When the temperature reaches a certain threshold, the vent's going to kick on, blow air in here. So you can feel the air blowing through there. It works just about perfect. Can't complain a bit about that. The on-off timer is plugged right into a receptacle. And that way we can power things and automatically turn it off every 12 hours. We use these solar panels to be able to power our greenhouse operation, including the new refrigerator grow house. These sprouts happen to be Carolina Reapers, and they need a really hot environment to be able to germinate. Oh wait, it gets better. It makes the perfect mushroom lab. And the number one problem with growing mushrooms is spore contamination. So, HEPA filter on this guy here. Presto, you have a clean room environment for mycology. Hey, thanks for watching, and you have a good day.